Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So from today onwards we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 11 from perimeter and area. So in our previous class I have given you the introduction video, right? So from today onwards we are going to deal with the exercise 11.1, which is in your page number 208 of your NCERT maths book, right? Okay. So here we have the first question. The question is, the length and the breadth of a rectangular piece of a land are 500 meter and 300 meter respectively. So that means over here. So till now I hope the concept of the perimeter and area is clear. So if I consider a shape rectangle, so in the first part you will be dealing with the rectangle and square. These two terms are not very much familiar to you people. I know that in your maths lab class, in your earlier class, that is class 4, 5, 6, you have heard the term, you have saw this shape, 3D shape rectangle, right? Over here, the rectangle, the opposite side are the length, the longest part are considered as the length, and the shortest part is considered as the breadth, right? So we are dealing with a rectangle. Rectangle has the four sides. Two opposite sides are the length, which is the longest part, and the length and the opposite other than length we have breadth, which is the shortest side in a rectangle. Okay, so the question over here is the length and the breadth of the rectangular piece of a land. The land is in a rectangular shape, which is of length 500 meter and 300 meter. Every time remember, length is the longest side, that's why it is 500 here, and the breadth is 300, which is shortest part. Okay, now you have to find the area. Now as the chapter is dealing with the perimeter and area. Perimeter means the boundary, fencing part, outside this part. This part is your perimeter. Area, this inner part. Okay, so we have to find here is the area, and number 2, the cost of the land if 1 meter square of the land costs 10,000. Okay, so first of all we have to find area, only then we can solve number 2. Otherwise we cannot proceed to question number 2. Okay, so let us make here a piece of a land which is rectangular in shape. Sorry for the diagram, which is a little bit not a proper one. Still, this is a length which is 500 meter, and this side is the breadth, which is 300 meter. I hope you are understanding the term length and the breadth. So we are going to write according to the question, length of the rectangular piece of land is given 500 meter. Yes, 500 meter, and breadth of the rectangular piece of land is 300 meter. Yes, these things are given. So we have to put this given form. Okay, then what you have to find? Then you have to find is area. So to find the area, we have a formula. Area for rectangle, I hope you know, whenever the rectangle is given, and if suppose you have to find the area, then you have to find using the formula length into breadth, B-R-E-A-D-T-H, length into breadth. What is the value of the length? It is 500. What is the value of the breadth? It is 300. Multiply this, 5 3s are 15. How many 0? 1 2 3 4. So it is 15 to 3 4. It is 1 tens 100,000 10,000, like 1,50,000 meter square. Don't forget to put the unit in. Whenever you are finding the area unit will be meter square or centimeter square or kilometer square, any unit square. Whenever you are finding the volume, it will be cube, meter cube, centimeter cube, any unit cube. Cube should be mentioned. This cube is denoted by this. Yes, so we have got the area. The first question was to find the area, find its area. Now what you have to find? The cost of the land if 1 meter square of the land is 10,000, if the cost of the land is 1 meter square is 10,000. Okay, number this was our part 1. Now proceeding to part 2, we have cost of land of 1 meter square area. This 1 meter area square is, this much cost is 10,000. Then what is your total area of the this field? What is your total area of this field? It is 1,50,000 meter square. So if suppose this is 1 meter square area, only this part is 10,000, then what is the total cost of this land? That you have to find. Okay, so cost of land of 1 meter square is rupees 10,000 given in the question. Now what you have to find? You have to find cost of land of 1,50,000, sorry, 15,000 meter square is equal to, just multiply it, 10,000 into 1,50,000. Okay, so when you multiply this, what you are going to get? So 115 into 1 is 15. How many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4. First of all, you will do this. 15 into 1 is 15. You may not put this comma, no issue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the cost? It is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, million. So you may say 15 crore at around. Okay. So this is the cost of 1,50,000 meter square land. So the area is very big. So here what I have did in whenever you go to market, if suppose you want to buy 1 kg tomato, suppose you want to buy 2 kg tomato, first of all what you'll ask? You'll ask 1 kg tomato price. If they say 1 kg tomato price is rupees 50, then what will be the cost of 2 kg price? Of course 50 into 2, it is 100. So similarly, if the cost of 1 meter square area is 10,000, then the cost of 1,50,000 meter square is this much. Okay, so this much amount you have to pay if you want to buy this area of land. Okay, I hope the concept is clear, right? So let us proceed to question number 2. Alright children, proceeding to the next question, we have find the area of the square park whose perimeter is 320 meter. So area you have to find, and what is given? Perimeter is given. Okay, so in our previous class, in our previous sum, what we found? We found area of rectangle. What was the formula? L into B. L means length, B means breadth. So this is your L, this is your B. Now here you have to find the area of square. So let me write the formula first, or let me write whatever is given in the question. According to the question, perimeter is given. Perimeter is given, that is 320 meter. So square shape is like this. Now this overall perimeter, the boundary is given. What is the meter? This is 320 meter. Okay, now what you have to find? You have to find is perimeter, area of square, not rectangle. Area of square formula is side into side. Okay, as square has all the same side, so area formula will be side into side. Okay, so whatever is given in the question, using that you have to find. So we know that perimeter square formula is, we will write here, we know perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. 4 into side. So in a square, if you have to find the perimeter, this is the formula, 4 into side. Why? Because all the 4 sides are equal. This is A, this is A, this is A, this is A. So that's why 4 into side. 4 side they have, equal side. But in rectangle, perimeter formula is different. 2 into length plus breadth. I hope you all know that. So perimeter square is 4 into side. So perimeter is given in the question. Just see. So what we can write, 4 into side is equal to 320. Yes, because perimeter is given. So I have written in this side, 4 into side I have brought here. So 4 side we have to find. So why we are finding side? Because area of the square formula is side into side. We don't know what is side. So from here we are going to find the side. So side is equal to 320 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 80 is here 80 centimeter. Here we will just put centimeter. It is not area. It is here we are not getting any area. We are not getting volume. Just it is side. So side unit will be just centimeter. Now what you have to find? I am writing here area. Now what you have to find? Area of square. Area of square formula you know, side into side, or length square you may write. So what is side you found? 80. So 80 into 80 is, it is just 64. How many 0? 1, 2. So 0, 0. Meter square. It is, sorry, meter, right? So it is meter given. So we will write meter. If suppose there is centimeter given, you will put centimeter. Over here it is 80 meter and your area is 6400 meter square. Alright children, I hope you have understood this. So this is the way. Grab the formula. Area of square formula is length into breadth. Area of the square formula, area of the rectangle formula is length into breadth. Area of the square formula is side into side. Perimeter square formula is 4 into side. So 1, 2 and 3 formula we have learned till now, till this question. Okay, so your homework is to learn this question, to learn this formula, also to solve this question in your copy. Okay, so this much for today. In our next class we will be proceeding with question number 3. All right, thank you everyone.